Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Subaru WRX STI Limited. This is the one with the lip spoiler. Very much a similar spec to the Lapis Blue Pearl one. The video should have been yesterday. But this one is World Rallycross Blue, a much more common spec. If this had the wing, it would probably be the most popular spec. No options on this one, $42,870. Seriously. Alcantara, red seat belts, everything you need. 2.5 liter turbocharged boxer 4-cylinder. This is the old block from the previous generation WRX and STI. The normal WRX has now since moved to a different block. So this one, you'll hear, sounds a lot more similar to the STIs and WRX of years past. 6-speed manual is your only option in the STI. I don't know if that's going to change for the new model year or the new upcoming WRX and STI. I really hope it doesn't. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Oh. All right. Steering wheel on these is awesome. If you drive the WRX in this back to back like I did today, you'll realize how much more track focused the STI is over the WRX. It's just a much more track oriented powertrain. The power delivery is a lot higher up in the power band, whereas the WRX, about 2,500 RPM, you got peak boost. So you're perfectly fine and you can start really romping on it. Whereas this peak boost doesn't really occur until about 3,500 RPM, right about 1,000 RPM higher. What does that mean? It means you really have to wring it out to get the most out of it. And personally, that's the way I'd have it. get over how much these cars are awesome. You might be wondering to yourself, is it really worth the extra money? Now these go for about 10 to 15,000 more than a base WRX. Almost 20,000 more, to be honest. For, you know, some really high optioned ones. Absolutely. This is worlds above the WRX. Drive one for yourself and see. You will realize just how special one of these are. I'll go over the bump. Definitely a stiffer suspension than the WRX. Everything is stiffened. Steering, definitely a little bit heavier than the WRX. What's happening here? I don't want to play whack a car. Brake pedal response is also much crisper. Much bigger brakes than the WRX too. Love this car. I love this car. I would buy one of these in a heartbeat. If I got a good deal on one, oh man, I would buy it. I don't really care. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.